Modern cars pack so much into such a little space that sometimes doing simple jobs like changing a light bulb can become quite an awkward, difficult little job. So this is where the headlamp bulb for this car is. As you can see, you've only got about 1.5 inches here to work with. There isn't a lot of space here to get in to change the headlight bulbs, but it's manageable. It's just very awkward. So first thing you got to do is take this rubber boot off. This one is quite stuck down in the bottom, so I'm just going to try just pushing it to one side. Then the best thing to do is get something like this, something like a water pump pliers, and try and get that down there and gently grab onto the connector. Make sure you're not squashing. Hold on to it gently, make sure you're not squashing any wires, and just lever it out, and then the connector comes off. The bulb just unclips with these two clips here. You just push them in and unhook them. So I'm going to do that now. Just the top one in and out. Pull that clip back out of your way as far as you can get it back. Then the bulb should just lift out. When the bulb is in, it's going to be like that, with the middle pin facing upward. So try not to touch the glass part with your hand. That's why I've got a glove on. So then it's just a reverse. Try and get this bulb in. Get it roughly into place. Mine has got twisted on me now, so I need to get that pin back up. Then when you have that pin up, it should slot in. And that's it, it's slotted in, sitting nicely now. So then it's just a case of putting back on this spring clip. So just get that back in and hook it on the top and the bottom. And that's it. Get your connector ready. Make sure the pins are lined up correctly. That's it, so it's lined up now, and I just push it onto the bulb. And that's it. And then you want to make sure the wire for the headlight isn't like right up against the back of the bulb or anything like that. So just kind of route that wire away from the housing a little bit. So that's it. It's not touching anything. And now it's just a case of pulling the rubber boot back on again. And then that's it. Literally 2 or 3 minute job. Just to explain what I was doing there, because it's very hard to get a good shot in the car because it's so tight on space. I'm just using a water pump pliers, but you could use a long nose pliers or something like that. So you want to grab onto this plastic connector, and you don't want to like squeeze it too much. So just get your water pump pliers on there, hold it, and then just lever it off the body of the light so it comes back like that. Push those wires out of the way so you're free to work on the clip. And then this is actually a different clip, a different type of clip. But yeah, the clip just comes back like that. Move your clip back like that, so you've got the clip and the wires out of the way, and then all you got to do is lift the bulb out. And then to put it back in is just the reverse of that. Make sure all the wires are out of your way, make sure nothing's getting tangled. This is the top of the bulb lining up with this middle pin. Just drop that in. When you're doing it on a car, it's probably not going to see properly first, but just twist it around and you'll feel it slot in. Usually you'll end up with this middle pin facing upwards. And then just pull your clip back down, again, making sure the wires are not getting tangled in it. Then connect your wires. This light isn't too bad. The wires aren't like getting caught in here or anything like that, but some lights, they can be. So just make sure your wires are not getting caught right in here or between the clip and the bulb, because that could melt the wire. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. I'll be doing more videos like this in the future.